Hi everyone, today we shall discuss about HTML attributes. Last time we discussed about HTML tags. So today we'll do a little bit of recap of the last session. So here first of all we have tags and attributes. So we have the starting tag, we have the ending tag. Today starting tag also include the attribute. So this is the attribute part and this is the content part. In our last video, it had been raining heavily, it was not stopping, yet it has not stopped. So you understand the gravity of this situation. In order to emphasize it on our text, we want to change the color of the text. So how can we change the color of this text? We can use attribute to change the property of our tags. So we have added one attribute here. So this is the name of the attribute, which is the style attribute, and the value is color black, and the whole thing is called element. And now let us see it on our code editor. How can we apply this? So this is our code editor. We have to create a new file. So I will name it HTML attribute. I have to add the ending or file extension HTML. First of all, we have to create the tag. Our tag is p tag. I add the first tag, the code editor automatically adds the ending tag, and we have to add the content inside, and the content is the rain is not stopping. I'll save it and I have to display it on the browser. So I'll start the Firefox browser and we have to visit the file explorer. So in order to open the file explorer, I am opening the file Rebel in the file explorer. I'll double click the file. It has opened in the browser. You can see the output and the font color is black, because black is the default color for this browser, which is the Firefox browser. Now let us get back to the editor. Oh, okay, I want to show the source. So here is the source, exactly same as our code editor. And let's back to the code editor. So here I'll add some more text. I'll copy this part and paste it several times. So the code editor is putting this on the same line, but we want to view the whole code on our display. So click view in the menu and click word wrap. So now we can see the whole code. And now let's save and let's check the output. So reload. So this is the output. Now because of the gravity of the situation, the rain is not stopping, we want to change the color to red. How can we do that? So here we have to add the style like this. We have to add space and type style equal to double quote and then color. The name of the color, we can also take it from the drop down. So this is blue violet. I have taken and then try to check the result. And again we want to change the color, so I'll make it red. Okay, reload. And also there are other ways you can change it. If you hover over, you can change it from here. And also you can keep it like this, or also you can change the value also here, the blackness or whiteness. You can change it and save it, and let's check the output again. Okay, so you can see the color has changed. Yeah, so I think that was all for today. Hope this was helpful. See you again.